We are here at 100% Design today in London, Olympia, one of the major design and trend shows across the UK and in Europe. And we are really pleased to present our new collection here, the Formica specification collection, with a great range of new colors, textures and products. We've invited two young designers to work with our new colors. One is Lucy Turner, who developed a small table, and she's using the new plain colors Nocturne and Energy for beautiful inlays. Nick James, a designer and maker from Newcastle, our hometown, has developed a chest of drawers made out of walnut, and he's applying three of our new colors as the fronts of the drawers, and that's the artichoke, chest blue and chest rose color. As a sponsor of the Design and Build Hall, we've collaborated with a few designers, and I will meet them to talk to them about how they use the Formica new collection and how they are inspired by materials. And this is Kirsty from Studio Design UK. We collaborated with Kirsty this year for the installation of the stairwell behind us, and Kirsty will tell us a little bit about the project.
We designed this staircase based on the trend colours for next year, which are also run show-wide. So working with Formica specifically on this staircase, the key was the textures. So obviously the colours are there, of course, beautiful colours, and the density, colour saturation is amazing. But for us, just getting slightly different textures, especially in an area which is very tactile, as this wall is. Of course, it's the centre of the space. So we really wanted to concentrate on all the different textures.
So you've used the plus colour range from our new collection.
Yes, and we tried to also try and use some of the new colours that was pointed out by the Formica team. The denim we've used extensively throughout the show, actually, because it's one of my favourites. Yeah.
So you've used denim on this installation. It seems to be one of your favorite colors, and you've also used it extensively at the Salmon and Champagne bar.
Yes, exactly. So we built, it is definitely my favorite Formica product, especially when it's got the texture into it. So it's just such a modern color. So we've used it in the restaurants upstairs for the full frontage of the bar. It looks fabulous.
We are here at the Half 3 Tea Cafe with Daniel Rouse, the designer of this beautiful installation. He's designed this bar, which is made of two of my favorite materials in our Formica collection, Plex, which is a metal in a copper color, really trendy, and color core as the top. Daniel, do you want to tell us why you use these materials?
Sure. So this cafe is based all around tea, so we wanted to use a material which reflected the colour and the qualities of the tea. And we found that the copper Plex was probably the best solution for this project.
Yeah, it's a beautiful colour of a really good cup of tea, isn't it? And the color core, any specific reason to use that?
And we chose the color core to be very durable within this workspace. We're going to have lots of people coming through the space using the cafe, so it really needs to be a very functional surface.
I'm here with Caroline Santos from Meta, a design studio based in London, who's developed the concept for Meta Garden, this venue at 100% Design. I see you've selected Formica materials in a very natural color palette and very subtle textures. Do you want to tell us about your thinking behind that?
We wanted to choose a range from Formica that would show the context of what the earth has inspired. So many things like even the subtlety of colour, different shades, light, shadow, textures and metallics, elemental colours and surfaces that would really kind of indicate how vast the inspiration is from the earth itself, which is in context for the eco side of the show that we've been dealing with.
With nature being one of our major inspirations in everything we do in Formica, this makes a lot of sense. One of the materials that Caroline used in the Meta Garden Cafe is the new magnetic chalkboard. An ideal material for a residential kitchen where family members can leave messages or prepare a shopping list and just use it as a magnet wall. Now we've moved over to the College Building of Design Junction in London, and I'm here with Lindsay Lang in the Pick Cafe, which was a collaboration with Transport for London.
That's right, yeah.
So tell us about your beautiful design.
Well, this design in particular is really just about the hustle and bustle of the London city that's ingrained in our livelihood of walking around in the tube station every day, and it utilizes all the colors of the underground, and I think it really sort of evokes that rush hour feeling. And in fact, we've called it rush hour, so
yeah, it's a perfect fit for the
Yes,
rest of the
thank
setting
you.
too.
And I think
Wonderful.
Using Formica is such a perfect fit for a tabletop. You can use any cleaning product on there.
It's durable.
It's durable and hardy, and has
versatile.
that retro aspect of it as well.
And we had fun with you working on it.
I had a blast. Yeah, thank you.